In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get and install mods here on GTA 5 in a PC. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would help the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The mod that we're going to be installing today is Menu 2.0. Just keep in mind before we get into any of this, that mods are offline only, and you're not going to want to use mods here in GTA Online or you do risk getting banned. Menu is also a script-based mod that lets you spawn vehicles, change the weather, teleport, use special abilities, and so much more. It's actually insane. But there's a few things that you are going to need to go ahead and download in order to do this. So first things first, if you do have GTA 5 opened up, you're going to want to close out of it and actually just open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And the first website you're going to want to go to is GTA5-mods.com. From here, you could just search specifically for Menu 2.0, and this is the one you're going to want to select. While you're on the same site, just open up a new tab and search for Scripthook V plus Native Trainer. And then while you're on it, open up one more tab, and this time just search for communityscripthookv.net. Once you have all three of these opened up, we could just go through and download every single one of them, starting with Menu 2.0. Go ahead and hit download. It's going to redirect you to the site. Hit download again, and it's going to automatically start downloading. I would recommend just dragging this off to your desktop, just like so. From here, go to Scripthook V plus Native Trainer, hit download, and then it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down, and you're going to see download on here. Select that. It'll redirect you to a page that looks something like this. When you're on this page, go ahead and go from the blog over to GTA 5 up at the top. Scroll down, look for Scripthook V, select it, and then from here, scroll down and you're going to see download, select that, and it'll go ahead and pop up the page that looks like this. Hit keep, and then drag that onto your desktop as well. And then from here, open up that community script, hit download. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to want to find this zip file. Go ahead and select that, and it'll download. And once again, just go ahead and drag this zip file onto your desktop, just like so. So the three that we have is Menu, Scripthook V, and then we have scripthookv.net, just like so. From here, you can actually close out of this, and what you're going to want to do next is actually open up your GTA 5 installation directory. There's two ways to do this. If you're on Epic Games like I am, open up that launcher, go to your library, and then go to GTA 5. Just hit these little three dots, select Manage, and once you're on Manage, go ahead and open up Installation Location. If you're on Steam, just right-click GTA 5, hit Manage, and then go to Browse Local Files. And once you are in here, what you're going to want to do is actually just drag this off to the side, just like so, because we're going to have to drag a few different things in here. Let's start with Menu. Go ahead and select the folder, just double-click it to open it, and what you're going to want to do is drag in Menu Stuff, drag it in here, and as you can see, I actually already have that right here. And then find this little Menu ASI file and drag this in as well. Once again, I already have this in here. As you can see, it's right there. From here, you can go ahead and close out of Menu, and I would just drag this down to the bottom, indicating that we are done with it. From here, let's open up Scripthook V. What you're going to want to do is open up the folder for it, and then you're going to see a little folder for it called bin. Open that up, and there's three things we want to drag in. This X input DLL file, drag that in. Go ahead and drag the Scripthook V DLL file in as well, and then drag the dinput8 DLL file in here as well. Once again, I have all three of these already in this, so I'm not going to drag them in again. From here, you can close out of this. And then finally, what we're going to want to do is open up this .NET one. So go ahead and open this up. And in this one right here, what you're going to want to do is get all of these files right here and just drag them in. You'll be good to go after doing that. Now just close out of this, and we have one last thing to do before we can actually launch GTA 5 and open up this mod menu. Essentially, go ahead and open up the Rockstar Games launcher, and once you open up that Rockstar Games launcher, go to your settings up at the very top, and find this little battle eye option right here. If it's ticked on like that, go ahead and tick it off, and then exit out of your settings and just launch GTA 5. Once you do launch GTA 5, get into story mode, and whenever you're in game, go ahead and just press F8 on your keyboard to open up menu. From here, you can change your player settings, spawn vehicles, teleport, change the weather, use weapons and abilities, and so much more. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.